If it's a scrapping tool want to catch this, they cannot find, because a scrapping tool can only get the email from visible text, but it's not visible text, it's hidden text. Where it is, if I show you, it's on a tag in ahref, it's on a attribute, it's not a visible text. So if a scrapping tool want to find it, they cannot find. No worries. So this is how you need to change a team member from our team section. Now, about us. In the about us, I think, if you we have some demo texts, and we have some fake counting as well. Yeah, exactly. How to change it? Just go to the about us page and make sure you are logged in as an admin, and then just click on edit with Elementor. When you click on edit with Elementor, editing panel will become up, and then you can change everything. Like you want to change, let me show you step by step. I want to change this image for now. Just click on the image and select a new image like this one. The image is changed. Here, what we need to follow, try to use resized image, because here the images are getting with the image dimension. Let's say it was when it was this image, maybe not this one, this one was there, it's look like a longer, right? So to keep the height equal, make sure you have used three image in in a nice dimension, so that it match the layout. Now it's looking nice because it's don't have too much long images, and the text are looks good. If I change, yes, let's say I want to change this, click on image, I can see the size. Size is not a matter. Let's see, it's a portrait image. If you want to just make sure it's a square or landscape image, that's it. Size, it's taking the dimension ratio. Let's say this one is a landscape. If I use it, no, no. It's if you increase it, then it will be the image will be more clear. But um, this system is taking the dimension, the ratio. It looks like a landscape, right? If I select it, it's a landscape image, not portrait. So now it's almost matched the layout. Now it looks nice, right? Okay. No, to keep website faster, we always recommend to reduce the size, but not this size, not the dimension. We need to reduce the megabyte, the kilobyte size. Dimension can be any, no problem. We have some online tools, they can reduce the size without reducing the dimension. So we don't need to reduce the dimension like 1067 and 1600. We don't need to reduce it, but we can reduce the size, which is the weight of the image. We always try to recommend to keep every picture under 100 kilobyte. Under 100. So this is how you can change the images. At the right side we have some text. Just click on any text. At the left side the editing panel will be appear, and you can change the text. I think who we are in the about page is okay, and here we can change something like this is how you can just change the text. If you, yeah, this one is just here, prove your potential. Yeah, just click on one by one. Here you can change the text from here, and just click here. This is the text, just click here to expand, and so you can just easily target the text you want to select, you want to change. Just click on the any text, left side will become automatically, so you can change it visually. Okay, let's say you don't have this, right? you you want to add. Here at the widget side, click on plus icon, it will be appear, and search for icon list. This is the icon list. Drag and drop it where you want to put. It's uploaded, and then go to the style, icon, paste the color. This one is the color, and it was maybe choose your icon. This one maybe was the icon, and type your text like I want to put this text. I want to push this text, but design is not looks good, so we need to style it. Go to the style tab to style it. Space between, space between is it means if you have multiple, how much will be the gap each in each between. If I reduce it, it will be like this. I think this is looks good. Divider, if you want to have a border under this, you can. I think divider is not looks good. You can increase the size of icon, and check one, sorry. Yeah, you want to change the icon, just click on anyone. Let's say you want to keep this circle, and second one you want to do this as a checkbox. Just click on the icon will be appeared here. You can search by check. This is the check, or usually we use this one for check, but I think as we are using rounded thing, so we can use rounded one, or this one is looks also good. You can see the second one is changed, and style will be available for all of the things. Like I want to and add the style like this. I think it's now heavy. I can make it a little light. Yeah, I can also hear the noise. Thank you. So this is how you can just change the styling, and here a lot of styling is available: line height, letter spacing, word spacing. A lot of style are available there. You can go through them to try. Okay, so I think we can go to the previous version, which was good. To go to the previous version, at the very top left corner you can see a Elementor icon. Just click on this, and here's the history. Here try to catch where we was. This one item list removed. Let's go to the here we have removed the item list, icon list, and we need to restore the just previous of this. Click on it. Not this one, this one. Yeah, it's come up. and after this just click on publish. It will be history will be reversed. Okay, and after this we have some cards where we can show our countings. Like here we have used images. These images we have created from Canva to show this. And if you think you need to change the image, just click on the image, any image, click on the image, click on left side and choose the image. Let's say you want to use this one for now. This is come up, and here is the counting. Actually by clicking here you can see the counting. You can add number suffix, and you can, it's a counting. Actually it's taking one maybe 2 seconds to populate all. So if you think it's need to be start from 1000, it's a prefix. Just starting number is here. If you think that it need to be start from 1000, it started from 1000, and in within 1 second it's filling up the 30,000. So this is how you can change the number. You can change the number, you can change the text from here, like how many student you have. No, no, yes, it's not yeah, understand. But in courses it's getting automatically one by one. Like for each course they are getting automatically how many students you have, but for this area there's no way to get automatically. Okay, this is the same thing for the other things as well. You can change the number and the image to show it. Like you can add like we have 30 teachers, we have total 70 course, we have a lot of video lessons like this. Yes, if you delete it, just select the container and press delete, or you can just right click at the delete. But I think 4 was looks good. Yeah, that's true, but we can keep other information here. Like we are teaching for last 7 years, that's which is true. We are teaching, we have 30 plus teachers, we have a very big team, we are part of UNICEF. Type this. Okay, here I can see some, we can add some more information here. If you think for our about us, you want to add more information, like about your events, about the history of creating this company, creating this organization, what is your mission, vision, you can put it here. Unlimited access to, it's actually we try to put some demo based on the e-learning things, e-learning, and actually learning, we put some contents based on learning management. Sorry. Yes, to hide this for from now, and you want to revert it next time, just click on 6 dot of any section. Let's say I want to hide this one also, just click on the 6 dot. When you hover on it, the 6 dot will be appear. click on the 6 dot. At the left side you can see the container. Scroll down, not scroll down, at the right side you can see advanced option. In the advanced, scroll down to the responsiveness. Click on the responsiveness and hide for all the device. It's hidden. Now it's hidden. It will be here in the editing panel, but at the front end, if I refresh, if I publish and show you, you can see this section was here, this section was here, but it's not right now, right? If I refresh here, the editing panel, is it gone entirely or not? Yes, it's hidden. You can see. Yeah, understand. If sometime, if sometime, let me complete. Yes, possible. Let me finish this. If you see sometime that it's after hiding this, it's not appearing on the editing panel also. Don't be fear. Don't afraid. Just what you need to do, you need to click on the structure. This is the structure. It can be hide sometime. Just click on the structure to open it, and just count which container this is. This is the first container, and this is the second container. When if you think that it's completely hide, even I cannot see in the editing panel, it can be happen, no problem, no worries. Just select the container from the structure, and here this is the button, it may be hidden. If you think it's hidden, then it will be entirely hidden from the editing panel as well. So what you need to do, just click on the eye again to visible it. That's it. Yes. Okay. Yeah, exactly. How to copy? You need to open both of the page on Elementor in a two separate tab. After opening them, go to the page from where you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy from here with the styling, with the invisibleness, with hiding feature, everything. Just click on the 6 dot. First click left click, left mouse left click, first one, and then same where click the right, and then you can see the copy option. It says control plus C is working, but unfortunately it's not work. You need to click on copy. Click copy and go to the page where you want to paste it. Just put a select any container or anything to paste it, or if you want to put it entirely outside of container, just at the very bottom you can see this. Just right click on the plus icon, or anywhere right click, anywhere of the box, right click and click on paste. It's appeared. So honestly, after each pasting, it's basically go through the very bottom to the page. So if you want to move it up, like right now here is only one section, that's why it's not going too messy. But if you think that there's too much sections, but after copying I'm not finding, after pasting I'm not finding it, just go to the bottom, it will be at the bottom. And if you want to move it up, from structure you can just move it up. This is one way. Another way is you can just drag and drop the sixth button, drag, don't release the mouse, and you can move it up. It's now at the bottom top. So this is how we can arrange the order, and after every change just click on publish. So here you can use the copy paste system, because because this will be the same as the our team, so you can copy from the our team and paste it here, so you don't need to edit 2 times. Just a moment please, just a moment for interruption. Okay, now we can go to the course upload, right? Okay, to course upload you need to go to the back end, and here is the tutorial expo and course. Let's create a pilot course. This one is a pilot course, and I'm deleting this one so we can start from the scratch. Here's the delete option to trash. To add a new course, click on add new. Give a course title like pilot course. Give a post description. I put the description, and I can define the maximum student. I think 0 can be the unlimited. I think unlimited is fine. We don't need to prevent any limit. Difficulty level, we have 4 level, all levels, beginner, intermediate and expert. Make it beginner. Is it public course? Public course means anyone can access this course even without login. They don't need to pay, even then they don't need to login. So I think it's not recommended actually, because at least they need to log in. And content dip, we need to make sure content dip is enabled, and it's enabled for course content available sequentially, because it makes sure after when you complete a lesson, the next lesson is unlocked. Without this, all lesson will be unlocked. So make sure the content sequentially available. Or on the other hand, which is more recommended, this one is course content unlock the fetching prerequisites. I will show you. If you use this, you don't need to do anything from the next step, but this one is more secure. If we use this, let's I will show how it's working. Let's keep the number 4, course content unlock after finishing prerequisites. Okay, let's go. And next is, there is nothing. At the right side I can see visibility. It will be public, password protected or private. If you want to make it for student, then public is always recommended. If you want to schedule it, like it's not public right now, but it will be public on the 1st of December and very early. So when the November will be finished, it will be updated. Let's okay. I'm scheduling it. So right now student can see, but see it's upcoming course like this. No, public is for all, even who not logged in, they can see the course structure actually, not access. No, not take the course. They can just see visibility. And after this we have feature image option. We must need to add a feature image. Let's say we want to add an image from, just click there and the images will be come up. I think we can go through this image. So we have an image now. Even if you want to replace the image by a video, like intro video, like in Udemy most of the courses have the intro video. The instructor explain what you will learn from this course. So you can, if you think you can you want to add an intro video, you can add from here. Just upload a video. We have so many options. Add from URL, YouTube, Vimeo, embedded shortcode, or you can just upload a video from here. Let's this one. scroll down. Here is the main thing, the pricing model. Do you want to keep it free or paid? Let's say I want to make it paid, and then I can there is the option for select a product. You can skip it, no problem, it will automatically create it. Let's I want to make it this one, but we are on an offer, it's now available for only $7,000, so $5 is a discount, you can make it. And after this we can define a category. I think this is not any of our category, you can just add a category like architect, okay, engineering, in engineering. I okay, is it okay, is it okay? Okay, when you click on it, it will be added. There is the engineering and I have selected it. After this, add a text. Text actually work as search feature, like I want to use it pilot, so I have added the pilot. So when someone search for pilot, the course will be available. And then let's for course, I want to add course, and to add basic course, basic level, anything like, just a moment please, sorry. This is how you can add some text. And there's the main thing is author. You can specify the author. Authors mean the teacher, which teacher want to um, show up here, like say the Firat Craig or the this one. I think this one have the profile image but name is not okay. I think this can be go with this right now, okay. And after this make sure save as draft, so it will be saved this page data. And we are going to the second step, which is curriculum. Curriculum page is only for schedule, creating the structure of course, the lesson, quiz and everything one by one. So let's have a look here, taking a little time. Now I can see this is the course curriculum. I didn't create any curriculum, that's why it's showing blank. Let's create the first topic. Let's first topic for introduction. Give me some course. So module 1 we can have this, and as a summary we don't have any summary, we can just add it. And here under this we can add a lesson. Let's add a new lesson. To add a new lesson, I think we can go through this lesson name, lesson 1 will be automatically showed, so we can just copy this lesson. Here is the main content. Here what you can do, you can if you think you need to add some text, you can just add some texts like this overview and everything. Or if you think as I know most of the lesson will have the video, so here is the video option. You can add from external URL if you upload it from your end, and also you can add uploaded video by uploading here. Let's I'm using this one. This one is the first lesson text, first lesson 1 this is uploading. And another thing, replace thumbnail, we can just replace the thumbnail so that before playing the video. If it's loading, then the thumbnail will be show up. I think my internet is bad actually. I can just use this image for now. It's saying that 22 minutes and 22 seconds. It's getting automatically, but if sometime you think it's not getting automatically, then please just put it manually, like 22 minutes and 22 seconds. Okay, and our lesson is completed. And for first lesson, we are not using any prerequisites. For the first lesson, we are not using any prerequisites. Just save it, and then just let's create a new one. New one can be this lesson text, lesson name. Okay, here we're skipping the content from here, and we are just uploading a new video. It's for sorry, this second one should be a quiz, right? So let's create a quiz. Yeah, but this is the same process. I'm just making sure it's a quick. Okay, let's create some questions. This is the quiz title, and quiz title is we will take for this one MCQs, or we can add test or exam, something like that. We don't need to have any quiz, and we need to create a question now. It's a multiple choice question, and here should be the question. The question is this. Question is this, and we have sorry, no, I don't need, and this is the question. I can add some options. Option 1, option 2, yeah, option 3, just press OK to populate it, and option D, but the right answer is C. So this is the right answer. The C is right answer. To mark it as a right answer, at the very left side you can see the checkbox. Just click on it. It will be marked as right answer. So I have added one question, and just click on plus to add a new question, multiple choice. Let's add this to make sure it's smooth. I'm just opening it in a new one. Option is 1903 1898 1914 1927, and the right answer is 1903, first one. Okay, and let's create okay, let's create another question, which is multiple choice question. This is the question. Question 1, answer 1, answer 2, answer option 3, and the answer option 4, and the right answer is B. Okay, answer is B. And let's create another multiple choice question, which is question number 5. Question option 1, question option 2, question option 3, question option 4, and the right answer is B. And let's create the next question, the last question. Audio Saloon. This is parachute. Okay, on the helicopter, it's the right answer is maybe I missed the right answer. Let's edit it and mark it as C. So we have added all of the questions here, and then click on next. And when you click on the next, you can see time limit. Let's say I want to time limit for 2 minutes because I have 5 questions, but I want to allow, as you told, you will have 15 questions, but that need to be random and maximum 5 questions per no yes. So this time I'm just adding five questions, so I want to make 2 question here, so I'm setting the time 2 minute only. Hide no, it can be visible. It's retry mode, make sure it's retry mode. Attempts, attempt can be maximum 3 times. And passing grade, if you make sure you want to add any passing grade, like I want to keep it 80%, that's true, but you can make it if you want 100%, that's you can. And so that is 60%. And then maximum allowed question, this is the main settings for this type of question. Let's say I have 5 questions, but I want to allow them only 2 questions to answer. So when you will have 15 questions, you will allow to 5 questions just to allow. So this is the main setting for this setup. You need to put here 5 to allow them maximum 5 questions to answer to allow. And this is the main thing here. Here you need to just select the previous lesson or quiz, just from the previous lesson or quiz. Now you can see prerequisites is history and revolution and aviation, history and evolution of aviation. So it's yes, so it means if you want to access this quiz, you must need to complete the lesson 1, this lesson, the history, evolution, aviation. Yeah, that's the video. So if you want to access this quiz, you must need to complete it. This is our main one of main requirements. So if let's say this is the lesson number 2, it's not lesson but it's a quiz number 2 of the lesson 1, right? So if someone want to access this quiz, let's say I purchased, that's fine, but I want to attempt into this quiz, but I need to make sure I have completed the history and evolution and aviation. So if I don't complete it, I cannot access it. It will say please complete this. Okay. And after we have some settings like advanced settings, auto start. When someone on this quiz page, if you think that quiz need to be auto start, I think this is a good way, so that no, I think they can start by themselves. And single question, if you think question will be in a as it's only 5 question, then I think question below each other, so in one page all question will be available, they can mark all the question and submit together. And single question means answer single by single, they need to click submit again and again and again, and the last they will submit properly. But I think for MCQ the last one is best. Question order random, make sure question order is random to make to randomize the 15 question, and any 5 can be picked, so make sure it's a random. Hide question number, definitely hide question number so that user will not understand it's coming randomly. And you can keep it as it is, that's fine. But if you want to know why this is, we don't have any short question or easy option, so we can skip it. But this is option for quiz, where we can add some quiz like this, short answer, easy answer, elaborate answer. So if you think the maximum character for the short answer is 200 character, you can define, but we don't have this, we can skip it. Save it. When you save it, the lesson, first lesson and our first quiz is published. Let's update. Yes, the next one will be another video. Let's create another lesson. Lesson number 2 can be the aviation license, and we want to add just a video here. This is the 2.12. It should be 2.1. Yeah, this one 2.1. Okay, this is the video. We want to add a video thumbnail as well. Just, and here in the lesson you need to pre-request the quiz, because this is the most nearest previous quiz of this lesson. So if I want to access this, I must need to pass on it. I must need to pass on it. That's the quiz. Yes, you can set both of them, no problem, because without this it cannot be accessed, and without both of them this cannot be accessed. So no. It's also mandatory. It's also mandatory. If you want, if you add 20 is mandatory. They need to pass in 20. So we can just add one thing, 5, just the quiz. That's enough, because yeah, that's enough because if they don't pass on the quiz, it will not access there. And without, yes, if you click on here, that this is the lesson, and the yellow icon is the quiz. You can see a gamifying icon. It's the quiz. It's indicating the quiz. And for your kind information, it will be browsed as serially. The module 1, lesson 1, it will be serially, so you can easily recognize. Yes, exactly. So let's add a thumbnail for this, and I'm looking for the video actually. Video title, how many time is it? If sometime it's cannot track dynamically, so you need to put, let's say it's for, yes, yeah, maybe it can be like 1 hour 30 minutes and 30 seconds. You need to define it correctly, so user will get the correct information. Lesson preview, if we make it lesson preview, that means it can be for the first lesson or any other lesson. If you think this is a very important lesson, but we can give it for free without enrolling, but only this lesson they can just see that, so that they will be more interested into this course. But I always recommend to keep it for the first lesson, so that first lesson can be more attractive, like that, what you will learn in this course, like this. So the student will get an idea about that. Yes, you will understand, I will learn this, so I can enroll this. So lesson preview means user can listen or see the lesson without enrolling, as a preview. And let's save it. I have uploaded the thumbnail, video lesson, and pre-quizzes, and the title. Now a preview will be shown the full video. Yes, preview, if you enable the preview, it will show the full video. I got it, but this is showing the full video. But if you think you need to show a Snapchat there, you can edit a video and you can put it as the course thumbnail, not here, the course video, as I showed in previous. So let's save it. So our second lesson is ready. Now we have 2 lesson and 1 quiz. Now we have, this is time to add a new quiz. Just click on a quiz and add a new quiz. Now give me 5 quiz for second lesson. ChatGPT is a really helpful tool. This is the